السلام علیکم پیارے بچوں، آج کی کلاس میں ہم پڑھیں گے اسلامیات، اور اسلامیات میں پڑھیں گے اسماء النبی صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم۔ تو پہلے تعوذ و تسمیہ پڑھتے ہیں، پھر اس کے بعد اپنا سبق شروع کریں گے۔ پڑھیے تعوذ، اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم، تسمیہ بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ صفحہ نمبر 18، اسماء النبی صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم۔ رؤوف، مہربان، عزیز، عزت والا، مصطفیٰ، چنا ہوا۔ چلیں اب ہم اس کو دوبارہ دہراتے ہیں۔ اسماء النبی صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم۔ رؤوف، مہربان، عزیز، عزت والا، مصطفیٰ، چنا ہوا۔ ٹھیک ہے بچوں، اب آپ اسے یاد کیجئے، دہرائیے۔ فی امان اللہ۔
Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do English notebook. Ask your mummy to help you to write date and day. Read caption with me. Matching. Okay, now look at the page. What we are doing to do here? Here we have some uppercase letters and lowercase letters, which we are joining. Okay, look here. Which alphabet is this? Uppercase letter D. And what is the sound? Da. What is the sound? Da. Now move here. Where is the lowercase letter d and what is the sound? Da. Here is it? No. Here it is. We have to join this. Next, uppercase letter G and what is the sound? Ga. What is the sound? Ga. Now look here. Where is the lowercase letter g? Here it is. We have to join it. Next, uppercase letter I and what is the sound? E. What is the sound? E. Now move here. Where is the lowercase letter I? Here it is. We have to join it. Next, uppercase letter M and what is the sound? What is the sound? Where is the lowercase letter m? Here it is. We have to join it. Next, uppercase letter P and what is the sound? Pa. What is the sound? Pa. Now move here. Where is the lowercase letter p? Here it is. Uppercase letter Q and what is the sound? Qua. What is the sound? Qua. Now move here. Where is the lowercase letter q? Here it is. Uppercase letter S and what is the sound? S. What is the sound? S. Where is the lowercase letter s? Here it is. We have to join it. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do maths notebook. Ask your mummy to help you to write date and day. Read caption with me. What comes before and what comes after? Now look here. This number is in between. Now we find before and after numbers. Now look here. Which number is this? 3. Which number is this? 3. What comes before 3? 2. Write with me. And what comes after 3? 3 के बाद क्या आता है? 4. Write with me. Okay, next. Which number is this? 7. What comes before 7? 6. What comes after 7? 8. Next, 8. What comes before 8? 7. And what comes after 8? 9. Okay. 12. 1 to 12. What comes before 12? 11. And what comes after 12? 13. Okay, which number is this? 14. What comes before 14? 13. And what comes after 14? 15. 17. What comes before 17? 16. And what comes after 17? 18. Okay, next 19. What comes before 19? 18. And what comes after 19? 20. अल्लाह हाफिज़। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम आपकी उर्दू की नोटबुक में काम करेंगे। सबसे पहले अपनी मम्मा की मदद से यहाँ पर तारीख लिखें और यहाँ पर दिन लिखें। आप मेरे साथ पढ़िए। जीम, ये कौन सा हुर्फ है? जीम। जीम के ख़ानदान की आधी अशकाल, जैसे ये जीम की शक्ल है, ये जीम की पूरी शक्ल है। इसी तरह अगर हम इसे आधा कर दें तो ये जीम की आधी शक्ल हो जाएगी। तो हमें क्या करना है? जीम के ख़ानदान की आधी अशकाल करनी है। अब यहाँ देखें, ये कौन सा हुर्फ लिखा हुआ है? ये है जीम। कौन सा हुर्फ है? जीम। ये कौन सा हुर्फ है? चे। जीम, चे। और ये कौन सा हुर्फ है? हे। जीम, चे, हे। और आखिर में कौन सा हुर्फ आएगा? खे। खे। ये चारों अल्फाज जीम के ख़ानदान के हुर्फ हैं। अब लिखना सीखिए। नुक्ते से ऊपर, फिर टेढ़ी लकीर और फिर गोल घुमाएं। जीम। इसी तरह चे लिखेंगे, नुक्ते से ऊपर, फिर टेढ़ा और फिर थोड़ा सा गोल घुमा। चे। अब हम इसी तरह हे लिखेंगे, नुक्ते से ऊपर थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा, और हे पे कोई नुक्ता नहीं होता, हे बिल्कुल खाली होता है। इसी तरह हम खे लिखेंगे, खे। जीम, चे, हे, खे। ये वाली लाइन आपको खुद से करनी है। अल्लाह हाफिज़।
Let's start reading Fun at the Beach. Fun at the beach. Now open your book, page number 1. Who's there? Dad and Mom. Dad and Mom. Now turn your pages. We have already read this page. Mom and Dad. They are in the funny frame. Kipper, Chip and Biff, they're all having fun at the beach. We have read this page yesterday, Hall of Mirrors. Kipper, Biff and Dad. Look at them, they're looking so funny. Mom, Chip and Floppy's also there. Look at Floppy. Now turn your page, we are going to read a new page today. Do not spoil your books. Turn your page very carefully, like this. What is this? Fun and games. Fun and games. Boys and girls only. Tickets. It's mean Dad and Mom and Floppy is not allowed in that area. Okay? Chip, having fun there. Biff is also having fun there, and Kipper is also having fun there. They all are playing. Dad and Floppy, they are here outside. You can see where Floppy is looking. Dad is happy and they are having fun at the beach. Now turn your page. We'll see where the Floppy is looking at. Oh, what is this? Dog area. It's a dog area. And there's so many dogs there. Danger, soft mud, soft sand and mud. Beware, do not cross to island. Okay, what is this? It's a dog area. There's so many dogs there. And there's a soft sand and mud there. so they can have fun in this area. Look at Floppy, he messed up. Oh Floppy, what Dad is saying? Oh Floppy, what are you doing? Look at Floppy, he's so dirty now, all covered in mud. And what Dad is saying? Stop Floppy, Allah Hafiz.